Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing some fluid art. So I have all my colors pre-mixed. They are all just student grade acrylics with water, and there's no silicones, no additives. I'm going to be doing a purple base and then layering all of the colors on top in a U shape. So I'm just going to lay my purple down. And all of these colors I've mixed, so except for probably the white and the yellow are just straight out of the tube, but even the gold I added some yellow too to make it a bit brighter, and then the pink is red and white mixture, and then the blue is a phthalo blue and white mixture. And so for the purple, I'm pouring the paint onto the canvas, and then to save paint I'm pouring it off the canvas into the cup to kind of create that like really smooth layer without wasting a ton of paint and having it all go onto the floor, but it's covered. I bought a plastic vinyl tablecloth and just put it on the floor so I could do some paint pouring. So yeah, at this point I put on some gloves because my hands were getting so messy. Yeah, definitely recommend some gloves. Alright, so just layering down pink. And all my colors, I go in kind of a random order. I layered pink and then yellow to kind of create like a beautiful orange, and then I layered the blue to kind of create a really pretty green because I wanted as much color as possible. So, yeah. Oh, and the gold, of course. I just love a little pop of gold in fluid art. And at this point, I'm still pretty new to fluid art, so this is really just a small canvas to kind of experiment and play around. I've been watching a lot of fluid art videos on YouTube, and I've been really inspired, so I wanted to give it a try and create something. And for this part of the painting, I'm just going to be blowing out my colors, and I will let the music play, and I will see you at the end of the video for the final result. Okay, so this is the final piece. I love it so much. I love the yellow against the purple. I think it's such a beautiful contrast. It kind of reminds me of the ocean, like some coral. So just giving it a quick torch, and this is the final result. I really love it. I actually covered it with resin, so it is just as shiny. It really made the colors pop. This is the wet result, but the dried result basically looks exactly the same with the resin. So I love the gold in this. The gold is the Blick student acrylic paint, and yeah, I just love it so much. I really like all the cells that I got, and I think it's just overall a really beautiful piece. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.